Hey everyone, this is Brian Metzger with Empowered Ecom. What I wanted to do is give you a sneak peek at some of the tools that are coming, and maybe by the time you watch this, these tools will be live. But let me give you a background. So I started Empowered Ecom because previously we had built tools to run our own dropship e-commerce store. There isn't anything on the market that allows you to automate a store from a dropship perspective. All right. On top of that, there were these expensive third-party tools to try to help take your inventory and product information, all your store information, and move it to eBay and Amazon. And there's always going to be other shopping channels as well. So the idea of syndicating your feed became a big deal. So really the genesis of Empowered Ecom started way back then when we were looking at the tools that we needed to basically run the store without really having to be there. And in that, we developed tools to help with inventory automation, shipping information, feeds going to the various shopping channels with the right information, and have those set up to go automatically at night, so that all we had to do was update one location, and then the feed would go out and update Google, it would update Amazon, it would update eBay, etc. And so from that standpoint, we really had a feed management mindset. We would then expand and not only take our own feed and make sure that the feed coming in, we'd then modify, edit, add our information, and then we would send that feed out. We would also take in affiliate feed information, then incorporate our information on top of that, and then we could leverage that. So we needed to be able to take feeds in from an affiliate as well as send our feed out. So we really became a feed expert driven store with automation. The last component, if you now understand that perspective, is how pretty do we want our store to be? Now there are two schools of thought. The first school is that if it's an affiliate store, then you really don't want people to hang around your store. You want them to click and go on. You want them to click through and make a purchase elsewhere. So there is this idea that you want your store to look okay, you want it to function, but you don't want it to stand out. You don't want to invest a lot of time because you really just are creating a middle through way for people to move to the final destination. There is also another school of thought, which is make it very attractive because it then creates a perception. The thing is, we are creating the engine, and when I look at what you can do on the outside, that's just a skin, and in our system, you can just pick how you want your store to look, just like you can pick how you want your blog to look. But the content management is crucial, and that's why I think a lot that's out there really fail, because they become so graphic design oriented that they don't really think about the tools, the automation, the back end, which we really think about. So I think we're very unique at Empowered Ecom because we move from a back end to the front. We can always hire the designers to make the pretty stuff, but no one is really, because graphic designers have never run a store, they don't have the, I want to be able to do my life and have everything just working on the scenes, shipping things and sending out orders and sending out emails without me having to think about it. So we really have that background. So now that I've given you that speech, let me give you an idea. So we have at the top, you'll see here, is affiliate product tools, and now this is new, this dropship. So we now have incorporated our dropship management tools, and so you can add a single dropship product, you can import products. We've tried to put a limit on that as we train people about this, managing vendors, product search, inventory price manager. Now in a follow-up video, I'm going to go into some of the specifics here, but I wanted to give you at least an introduction to how these tools came to be and why they're really important. All right, thanks very much. Bye.